How AI is redefining SEO and keyword strategies in 2025. Updated May 13th, 2025 by Dr. Mohammed Hossein Hariri ASL. Time to read 9 minutes 52 views, no comments. As artificial intelligence transforms how people search for information, traditional SEO strategies, centered solely on keyword research, are rapidly losing their dominance. AI-driven platforms like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and Claude now respond to complex, conversational queries by synthesizing answers rather than simply listing keyword-matched results. This shift favors content creators who prioritize topical authority, natural language, and real value over robotic keyword stuffing. At LELB Society, we've witnessed this shift firsthand. Our visibility and organic traffic have grown as we've focused on publishing high-quality, context-aware content instead of relying on artificial keyword rankings. In this article, we explore how AI is redefining SEO and what this means for website management and content strategy going forward. Video of the impact of AI-driven search on traditional keyword research strategies. This video is not ready yet. The decline of traditional keyword research in AI search. In the past, keyword research was the cornerstone of any effective SEO strategy. Tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz help content creators identify high-volume search terms, analyze competition, and structure their pages to match keyword intent. This approach rewarded those who could strategically insert these keywords in titles, meta tags, and body content, often resulting in formulaic articles that served algorithms more than users. However, as AI-driven search engines evolve, this linear model of optimization is rapidly becoming obsolete. AI-driven search engines impact on various websites. Artificial intelligence platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot respond to natural language queries by synthesizing information from multiple sources, not just matching keywords. Instead of surfacing pages with exact match phrases, these systems prioritize content that demonstrates context, clarity, and authority. As a result, obsessing over keyword density or exact phrasing no longer guarantees visibility. SEO is shifting toward quality, coherence, and relevance, a shift that de-emphasizes traditional keyword research in favor of a more holistic content strategy. How AI understands user intent beyond keywords. Unlike older search engines, AI models are designed to understand why someone is asking a question, not just what they're asking. This evolution from syntax to semantics is a game changer. AI systems now analyze context, tone, and historical behavior to decipher deeper layers of user intent. So a vague query like best laptops becomes a complex search for value, performance, brand reliability, and user-specific needs, even if those criteria aren't explicitly stated. SearchGPT versus Google, AI and the future of online search. This deeper understanding means that optimizing content is no longer about inserting the exact phrase a user might type. Instead, it's about addressing the underlying need behind the query. To stay relevant, websites need to anticipate these deeper needs and craft content that answers not just the question, but the motivation behind it. That's why natural, helpful, and fully contextualized writing is being prioritized in AI-generated answers, and why websites must evolve to keep up. Building educational websites with WordPress. Since the inception of LELB Society nearly a decade ago, Dr. Mohammed Hossein Hariri ASL, the platform's visionary content developer, editor, and SEO strategist, chose to deviate from the conventional SEO path that prioritized keyword stuffing and superficial optimization tactics. Instead, he focused on creating meaningful, educational, and semantically rich content that addressed real learner needs. Operating on a WordPress membership model, which traditionally poses SEO challenges due to content gating and dynamic structure, Dr. Hariri ASL consistently emphasized quality, depth, and user intent over keyword density. This unconventional yet principled approach has proven remarkably effective in the age of AI-driven search. With platforms like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini prioritizing authoritative, context-aware content, LELB Society's SEO ranking is now experiencing significant growth, affirming the long-term value of building authentic topical authority over short-term keyword gains. Why topical authority is the new SEO currency. In a world where AI curates answers from various sources, topical authority is becoming more influential than individual keyword rankings. Rather than publishing isolated articles around high traffic keywords, websites that demonstrate deep expertise across an entire subject area are more likely to be cited, recommended, or referenced by AI systems. This rewards educational content platforms like LELB Society that focus on building knowledge-rich environments instead of chasing one-off trends. LELB Society's roadmap for 2025, expanding horizons. Topical authority is earned through consistency, depth, and interlinking of related content. For example, a site with a broad and well-structured collection of articles on language learning will outrank a site with a single viral post on best English vocabulary apps. AI models are trained to detect these patterns of depth and relevance across content clusters. Building this kind of authority not only future-proofs your site, but also increases trustworthiness and discoverability in AI-generated responses. From ranking to relevance, content optimization for AI models. Traditional SEO chased rankings. The goal was to be on the first page or better yet, position 1. But with AI summarizing results into a single cohesive response, the real objective now is relevance, being the source that AI deems trustworthy and worth referencing in its generated answers. This calls for a shift in optimization tactics from technical tricks to content quality, originality, and educational value. What is SEO? Best Search English Optimization explanation with a video. To optimize for AI models, content must be clear, well-structured, and information-rich. Short, keyword-stuffed posts are being replaced by longer, evergreen content that educates the reader and answers multiple related questions in one go. Adding schema markup, FAQs, and structured lists helps AI understand and extract key points. Moreover, citing sources and backing claims with data or real-world examples increases your content's credibility in the eyes of both users and machine learning models. If you're running a WordPress website like LELB Society, it's important to note that Dr. Mohammed Hossein Hariri ASL, the founder and developer of the platform, has achieved remarkable SEO success without using any SEO plugins typically recommended for WordPress, such as Yoast or Rank Math. Instead, he has leveraged the power of artificial intelligence to manually generate and implement custom JSON-LD-rich snippet schema markups, including blog posting or article, breadcrumb list, organization, and even discussion forum posting. These structured data markups are directly embedded into the site's code, allowing search engines and AI models to better understand and contextualize LELB Society's content, such as 4,500 English and Persian lessons with videos. This advanced yet plugin-free approach demonstrates that with the right knowledge and strategic use of AI, WordPress users can bypass bloated SEO tools and still outperform competitors by focusing on precision, relevance, and technical clarity. Future-proofing your website strategy in an AI-driven world. With AI shaping the future of digital discovery, website owners must rethink how they manage and grow their platforms. The winners in this new paradigm will be those who create user-centric content that prioritizes authenticity, utility, and engagement. It's no longer about outsmarting algorithms, it's about building genuine value that AI can recognize and amplify. Sites that focus on education, deep insights, and clear communication will thrive in this era of intelligent search. How to boost user engagement on your WordPress site. To future-proof your strategy, invest in content clusters, regularly update older posts, and implement structured data wherever possible. Focus on audience engagement, user experience, and brand consistency across all platforms. Think beyond Google rankings. How can your content become a trusted resource that AI platforms choose to reference? That's the new benchmark. For platforms like LELB Society, this evolution aligns naturally with a long-standing commitment to high-quality, academic content, making the AI age not a disruption, but an opportunity. Conclusion. In conclusion, the rise of AI-driven search platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and Claude signals a profound shift in how content is discovered, ranked, and valued across the web. Traditional keyword-centric SEO, once dominated by tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs, is giving way to a more intelligent, intent-focused approach where the quality, context, and relevance of content matter far more than exact match keywords or robotic optimization tactics. As artificial intelligence becomes increasingly adept at understanding user intent, detecting topical authority, and synthesizing answers from diverse sources, websites must evolve by prioritizing holistic content strategies, deep subject coverage, and natural language expression. This paradigm shift empowers content creators, especially educational platforms like LELB Society, to focus on delivering authentic value, fostering trust, and building interconnected topic hubs that AI models recognize as credible and useful. Ultimately, success in the age of intelligent search will not come from gaming the algorithm, but from serving the user with depth, clarity, and meaningful insight, values that transcend any algorithm and stand the test of technological evolution.